either say in the social media and physically to discourage you. Please don't allow anybody to discourage you. Now, who are from the high person and also in the line. I gave me a proud. I don't want to have a before. No. So when you get this weekend, then all one living on Lagos, you have to mobilize what there. All one living on the child, don't mobilize what there. Yes! Why we are saying this thing is this, and from the Sowore told you something. That place they call it Kaiji. If you hear that there is one of their brothers they arrested either in any part of the state in the east, the person is not dead. They take them Kaiji in Wawa in Niger State. That place is another one altogether. The worst of it is that when we go to court, file action in court, get judgments, they will not obey because evil. My dear brother, the time to fight it is now. Now. Are you hearing what I'm saying? Yes. Now. Yes. It's Nnmadi Kanu today. Maybe another person tomorrow. Yes. I can tell you, I can comfortably tell about 20 persons I have filed their matter. They are still there. If you go there, see how your own brothers, not in absolute, they husband and wife. Please, let us make it a reality. Thank and God bless you. Time. Okay, it is 7 a.m. dot. Don't be late, leave on time, get there on time. On that note, I shall turn over the microphone to Mr. Sowore to conclude the address. The venue of this protest is Aso Rock Villa. But the convergence where we gather is the Fountain Square. But because of what might be, we will still have some internal strategy to have multiple places to approach the city from. Yes, sir. But you should be around that area, around the central business district is what we call it. So at the Federal Capital Territory. I call it Federal Capital of Thieves. Yes. Yes. But 7 a.m. please. We are also asking if you have any of your brothers who want to travel to come, please provide them accommodation. No problem. I can stay with you. Or anybody needs accommodation, transportation. We are also using it to call on transporters across the country. Yeah. If anybody wants to come and you are sure, give them free transport to Abuja and back. We will do that. And we want to make it clear, it is a peaceful protest. But it's also their job to make it peaceful. But it's a peaceful protest. Thank you very much. Oh, please. We also will let you know that we are going to protest at that Wawa Barracks prison. Wawa Barracks prison is very close to Nigeria in Niger State. Everywhere an innocent person is detained unlawfully.